In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add overlay in CapCut. To get started, open CapCut on your computer and open the project you want to work on. In this example, the project is already open, so we can jump straight into the editing process. If you're following along in your own project, just make sure you're in the main editing workspace where you can see the preview window, the media library, and the timeline at the bottom. The first thing you'll want to do is import your main video and place it on the bottom timeline track. This is important because your main video acts as the base layer of your edit. Anything you add above it, including overlays, will appear on top of that video. Once your clip is imported, drag it down into the timeline and place it on the lowest track. Next, import the media that you want to use as your overlay. This could be another video, a graphic, an effect element, or any visual asset you want to place over your main footage. After it appears in your media bin, drag the overlay file onto the timeline track directly above your main video. Positioning it on the track above is what tells CapCut to display it over the base clip. Once the overlay is on the timeline, you can adjust how it looks in the preview window. Click on the overlay clip, then go to the preview screen and drag the corners to resize it. This is useful if you want the overlay to take up the full screen or just a smaller section of the frame. You can also click and drag it to move it into a different position, which is helpful for picture-in-picture effects or placing graphics in a corner without covering the main subject of your video. If you want to refine the look even more, you can experiment with the blend mode of the overlaying clip. With the overlay selected, look over to the editing panel on the right side. There, you can play around with different blend mode options to change how the overlay interacts with the main video underneath. This can create a more natural composite, a stylized visual effect, or simply help the overlay blend in better depending on the type of media you're using. Take a moment to preview the result and make any small position or size adjustments as needed, so everything looks clean and intentional on screen. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.